Yeah, 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 yeah. Get it. Will Killer spitting a new fucking freestyle. If you don't like that, get off my D now. Yeah, shout out to my boy Dean Dash down south. If you don't like shut your mouth. This is Will Killer back on the beat again. Coming out the motherfucking city of the wind, yeah. But I rep the NWI. If you wanna fuck with my clique, you know you gon' die. Don't even try. Yeah, I told you, we coming through and we some motherfucking soldiers. Yeah, shout out to my nigga Steve O, cause you know you fuck with him, you gonna pay the toll. Gonna have to roll and fucking lose your life. You best think twice, gonna get shanked with a knife. Yeah, my music kinda bootleg and so ghetto. If you do not like that, stomp you like stiletto. I don't give a fuck. This is acapella. If you don't like that shit that I tell you, this is my type of music. This is freestyle time. If you do not like that, bitch, do 1-9. I just rap my own thing and I do my own shit. And if you don't like that, smack you with a clip. Call it pistol whip. I got a fucking grip. I'm gonna fucking trip if I empty out the clip. Yeah. Freestyle off the top of the brain. This is the type of shit I do. If you don't like that, fuck you, that ain't man. Yeah, I done said it. Will Killer, bitch. Always respect it, never regret it. Everything I do, I rep my label on my back. What about you? I think you don't. So go ahead and point fingers, cause I'm about to hit you motherfuckers right here. Yeah. Middle finger in the motherfucking air though. If you don't like my flow, it's the 420, yeah. Shout out to Crazy J, my nigga Dean Dash, gonna blow you away. Soon we coming back, watch out now, cause I'm hitting you motherfuckers in straight freestyle. Haha, yeah, I'm just fucking around, man. Will Killer 420 Records, man, is a motherfucking exclusive right here, bitch.